Step your left foot out. Place that block on the outside. Belt under the foot. Keep your right toe tucked in. So you're straight in the middle. Hands behind the back. Inhale. Exhale. Fold forward. Inhale and go towards the left leg. Open up the chest. Stay really nice and low. Take your left shoulder under the left knee. Palm on the block. Hold on to the belt with your palm. Slowly pick up the leg. Take an inhale. Exhale. Pull that leg up. Bend your right elbow. Look under the armpit. And then straighten the leg. Stay here for 1, 2, 3. Keep stretching. 4. Actively pushing that foot against the belt. Maybe keep a little bend in the left elbow and press that inner leg against the arm. And 5. Inhale. Exhale. Look down. Slowly release the leg and release the belt. Okay, relax for a moment. Just sit down in Vajrasana. Palms up. Close your eyes. Feel that nice length through the side of the body, through the triceps. If you're feeling it a little bit in your shoulders or the neck, which means try to pay more attention to bend your elbow even more. Right? So the more the shoulder lifts up towards the ears, we tense up this area. In the beginning you will feel it because the side body is a little tight, but consciously sending our awareness there. And try to pull that shoulder down away from the ear and bend the elbow as much as you can. One more deep breath in and out. And then let's try it one more time. Okay, slowly coming back up. Now you can do same thing with the belt and block, or do without the belt, but still try and use the block. It's nice to have that little height to open up more. So keep the foot in line with the knee, back toes are tucked in, hands behind the head. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. And then inhale. Go towards the right, open the chest. Take the palm under the foot. Lift the leg up first, then hold on to the foot. Bend the elbow and then stretch. Open up the chest. 1, 2. Keep bending that left elbow as much as you can. Drawing that left shoulder away from the ear. 3, 4. One more inhale. Exhale. Look down to the floor. Slowly release the leg. In the beginning you also